Mind the curb, mind the curb, mind the curb.
Now, yesterday I read on a Facebook post that actually Smart Summon, so AS, has been upgraded in Australia. I have checked my app and I know I've had a couple of updates, but with the app it's still not showing the cameras when we try and move, when I put on the summon function on the app. So I don't think it's the full one that they have in America. But I'm not getting a warning anymore. I used to get a warning saying that it was not the full version. I'm not getting that warning. So now I'm going to go over to the car park, find somewhere clear and open. So we're just going to see how it behaves now. Last time it wasn't amazing. I wouldn't definitely trust it in a busy car park. So we're in the train station car park. Let's give it a nice simple test to start with. Now there are these raised surfaces we need to be careful of, but let's go right over here, give it a good test. Okay, so let's go into summon. It's connecting. Okay, we're on. That's pretty fast. Mind the curb, mind the curb, mind the curb. Yep. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's try the same, but we'll put it in a space over there forwards. Okay, so let's see how it goes reversing out of the space. Not bad. To me, I think it is working better than it was before. And I'm definitely not getting any warnings come up like I did before. So let's do another one a little bit further away. Okay, we're a good distance away now, so there's an actual circle, that blue circle. I think that's the limit, so we must be pretty close to the limit. Let's see what speed it comes to us this time. Now maybe that was a better car park than I tried before in terms of the layout. It was easier for the car to work out where I was and where it was parked, but it seemed to work better than last time, but I'm still not getting those cameras on the screen, and it was a little bit jerky in places, and I don't think you see that on the full version that they've got in America. So let me know if you have any input, if you know what's to go with the Australian version, how does it compare to the full version. As usual, any advice or recommendations will be appreciated, and I'll speak to you in the next one.